What if you could earn $2 just by watching a single video and taking a single survey online with the sample click of a button? In fact, if you click consistently, you may earn up to $600 in an hour if you do it again and again. The best part is that you can use it on any device you have, whether it's a computer, a tablet, or even your smartphone. This is available worldwide, and this brand new way of earning money is also free, so you won't have to pay anything. However, what you will need to do is to pay attention to what I'm about to discuss so that you'll learn everything there is to know about clicking and earning some real cash online. We connect you to anything that will help you earn quick and easy money online. But just before we dive into this brand new tutorial, please smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video so I can show you this fresh new strategy. To immediately start our method, let's visit the first website called Hideout.co. This is a website where many individuals go to earn money by clicking and watching videos. As you can see from your screen, there are literally hundreds of thousands of videos to watch here in order to earn some money online. But to get started, you must first create an account on this site. To do so, go to the top right corner of your screen and click the Sign Up button. You'll then be taken to the registration page, where you'll need to enter your username, email address, and password. After that, you must agree to their terms and conditions by clicking on the 3 boxes below. Then you must click this button that reads "I'm not a robot" and then click the Sign Up button below. On the other hand, if you want a better sign-up experience, you might also use your Facebook or Google accounts. Now, after you've successfully signed up, you can watch as many videos as you want. So for example, if I click on this video right now, it will send me to a website where they will begin loading ads in front of the video. They'll then display 1 to 3 advertisements in front of the video. And with each ad you view, you can earn money online. That simply implies that the more videos you view, the higher the opportunity for you. And all you have to do to earn $2 is stay on the page for at least 30 seconds, and that's it. To give you one piece of advice, in order to earn the most money in the shortest amount of time, you should view as many videos as possible and open as many tabs as possible. You may go about your business without having to look at the videos yourself, and you can even make money while you sleep if you do so. As you can see, we have a pretty interesting and fun way to earn money online today. So if you are still interested in the next website that I'm about to show you, just stay tuned as I walk you through it. So this is our second website for today's approach. It's called FeaturePoints, and it can be found at FeaturePoints.com. Now, when you come and visit their webpage, you'll instantly notice that they've paid out more than $5.8 million up to date, and they've been doing so since 2012. With that being said, this website has been around for a while, which is very good. Moreover, this app is also very available on any smartphone device because, as you can see, it can be downloaded on both App Store and Google Play Store as well. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see that they have a variety of jobs to earn from, such as completing surveys, earning cashbacks, downloading apps, sharing your referral link, earning gift cards, and many more, which are fantastic. Now, allow me to discuss all of those by scrolling up. As you can see, they have a variety of contests that you can participate in, where you can win a lot of money. As seen right here, you'll get 50,000 points for this one, which equates to $50 in cash. Secondly, surveys can be one of your primary sources of money here, and they're pretty simple too. As you can see, they're basically broad questions that don't necessitate a professional's response, and you can easily answer them. So thirdly, cashback is also a nice feature of this site as it allows you to shop a variety of stores while receiving a portion of your money back. In connection, they have some of the largest companies as partners among the numerous stores including Gap, GameStop, Walmart, Microsoft, Sephora, Macy's, and others. So basically, these stores pay FeaturePoints to refer you to their stories, and FeaturePoints will then distribute the revenue with you, which results in a win-win situation. Now that you've made it this far, you might as well give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. And if you want to be entered to win $100 of your giveaways, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now back to the features of this site, you can also get paid by engaging and downloading other apps. As you can see, you don't have to use the applications for very long. In fact, it says right here that you will use an app for 2 minutes and you'll get paid for it. With that being said, 2 minutes is unquestionably a brief period of time, and engaging with other apps can be a fun way to earn money here. Furthermore, you can share this app with other people, and you'll get paid up to 50% of everything your referrals earn. That essentially means that you can earn 50 cents of a dollar, which means that if your referrals earn $100, you could easily earn $50 in an instant. Now, as you can see below, you can also redeem your points for gift cards, including Amazon, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin, and many more. With that being said, if you'd like to invest in Bitcoin, this app is a must-have for you. One thing I can say about FeaturePoints is that they've been really well complemented. You may look up the rating not only on this page, but also in Google Play Store and App Store. It has a rating of 3.2 stars on Google Play with over 119,000 ratings, and a rating of 4.3 stars on the App Store with over 2,500 reviews. This information is critical to highlight because many applications that are similar to FeaturePoints are outright scams. And I want to demonstrate that this is not the case here, and you will surely be paid. So if you're curious, the last point I'd like to make about FeaturePoints is how much you'll be paid. It is, as I stated at the outset, one of the highest paying sites available. With this app, you'll get roughly 5,000 points for each survey, and since 3,000 points are worth $5, this app will pay you nearly $10 for a single survey. Answering surveys should only take you a few minutes to complete. Plus, you may also check out the other ways of earning here. Having that said, FeaturePoints is absolutely worth a go. And that sums up today's tutorial. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.